In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook email. If you want to make part of your message stand out, highlighting text is a simple way to do it. It can help draw attention to an important deadline, a key instruction, or any line you want the recipient to notice right away. In Outlook, this is easy to do once you know where to look. To get started, go to Mail in Outlook. This will take you to your inbox or whichever mail view you normally use. If Outlook is already open, just make sure you're in the email section and not in your calendar or another area of the app. Next, click on the email or message you want to work with. This opens the message so you can respond directly from it. If you're following along for practice, any message will do, as long as you can open it and access the reply options. Once the message is open, click the reply icon. This brings up the reply editor where you can type your response. Using reply is helpful here because it opens the formatting tools you need while keeping the original email in view for context. Now, type your message and then highlight the specific text you want to emphasize. To do that, click and drag your cursor over the word, sentence, or section you want to format. Make sure only the exact text you want highlighted is selected before moving on, because the formatting will apply only to the selected portion. After the text is selected, click on Text Highlight Color and choose the color you want to use. This is the tool that applies a background color behind your text, similar to using a highlighter on paper. Once you select a color, Outlook will apply it to the text you highlighted. If you don't see the option immediately, take a quick look across the formatting toolbar in the reply box. It may appear alongside other text formatting tools like font color, bold, or italics. Choosing a clear, readable highlight color usually works best, especially if you want your message to stay professional and easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted text in a Microsoft Outlook email. It's a small feature, but it can make your emails clearer and more effective when you need to emphasize something important. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.